Assembly session loiraga tanaraga haidokna bitawjare. Thank you.
Sidi samu maning the penale le duni. Star question se sayam sengna hairaga. Haugi ba 2016 Congress ki adugumba government le yungai matamda multitasking staff post samri ga traum doi si interview loigre adu anoba BJP government led government 2017 da lakpadagi matamdugi interview do cancel tawre madugi maram do ai thodona khangde then adu cancel tawraga 2019 da written test interview pangthokre MTS Assambly around 27,000 above student only 413 number of posts ilobaganda la isar candidate mayam se candidate mayam ki form si 500 per candidate form P hai batare is chaurana crore maga 35 lakhs ai chaurana hot pani anu sir hujik chahi manga changjale candidate 27,000 above sigi live se hujik es bar oi jor mani tambang amdre adumaina tawdana low khraga chahi manga si phajal akanda hujik financial constraint leibadagi tabak se haidok pangamdre haidana haibiramnina sar ai question da lakchage musi yamna nungai taba haibatai financial constraint leitabadagi masi laukthoktabani hairbanina 2081 19 akhoi sarkar sina haiba posing se ko matamduda financial constraint leitabra karamba matamda financial constraint leibasing se kok pangam bedoribno ai sima khangningi sa financial constraint adum leiragadabnina hujik education department gi multitasking for staff ki result out se base haidok laroi hana laukthok pi yarabra aroi bada sar laukthok loi da recruitment se oiragadi kari dong notice thokpirino sidang sengokpi.
Honorable Speaker, sir, akwegi multitasking staff have say chowkidars, peons, grade 4, etc. Sigi posting se akwegi multitasking staff hai. Aduga hojik akwegi sanction post later say 1,452 listing amaga chamri yankai ni thoni. Khara amsu chowkidar peon khare try to matungda hojik 583 presently sina man tawraga lei. Aduna shortage the honorable member na pugutpari se am chumi shortage lei. Adubu marakta sa habi ge ba 2019 da tawgiba DPC do hojik 19 da COVID lakhiba aduga loina na hojik present law and order situations leibsina maram oiraga hojik financially kitang tight oibna maram oiraga atuna haijabani adubu akoi athu matamda akoi government ki oiba kenonina tanaraga haidong na tawjagani han tamde. Thank you.
Sir ai kandwa sir masi am serious ni athu matam haibigano akangna matam ama pibiyo ai sir kanonta ning singjarake handaki 53 suba lok sabha election ki mamangda 15 March 2024 da Honorable Chief Minister ki Secretariat Banglo da haibtare SKTV na interview ama lawe madugi interview du da hujik record loina leibunga tani interview du gi anchor du na hangi base hujik harba multitasking staff se masigi pending lay basi kamai to godagi kam to bigadagi haibda Honorable Chief Minister na election hek loi boga adum basi announce declare to ne na haidok pi khra gasi di assembly phamabani na basida interest of jaba aina sa haijari ba 27,000 above candidate mayam se muhoida hujik sukui rabam matam se haidok ta na kangaw na leiriba aina sa haijari ba 27,000 something above sigi manung the low the only 413 post khaktana masida leiriba gap mayam du khangbi rakanda moigi future se sar yamna aru phimam da lere aduna tanaraga khoi tawnuba haibagi mawta Honorable Chief Minister na sumagi adugumba interview amada election hek loibaga khoi haidu ani haibi kharabnina date amatam fix tawbiyo
Honorable Leader of the House, Katana, Honorable Speaker, sir, I date to fix Tauraga. Honorable House again. Thank you.
Tanaraga Haibu Sartavigano. Date a leader of the House no so Haibiova. Say Handaki Sahisi. Haidoro Haragaso Haibiro. Do say April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Within this year, Sigis Tasida. I'm thinking the Haibiwa have the Kuiman Grasahi, Manga had the puzzle. Me listening to the Tereki, Kangong of life, Sigis Karaga, Tanaraga, Kayam with Sahika, Sahimanga Tanala. I see Amracano in the Kanbigano, Lady by you couldn't listen to Tereki interest in the Matamantang the PBO.
Assembly session Loraga, Tanaraga, I don't know what those are. Thank you.
See this Hamu in the Penale.
Matanga.